The Bosch dishwasher error code E31 signifies a heat pump malfunction, with the most common cause being a faulty heating element. To fix this issue, replacing the heating element is often the best solution. This process begins with switching off the dishwasher and unplugging it from the socket, as well as turning off the water supply. The bottom front access panel must then be removed, and the dishwasher pulled away from the wall to disconnect the water supply hose, which should be placed in a container to prevent spills. Next, the bottom dish rack should be removed, and the wiring on the faulty heating element disconnected. The heating element can then be unmounted from its mounts and removed. Before installing the new heating element, the seals on its leads should be lubricated with rinse aid. The wiring on the new element can then be reconnected, and the bottom dish rack reinstalled. Finally, the water supply hose should be reconnected, the dishwasher pushed back into place, and the front access panel reinstalled. Once the water supply is switched back on and the dishwasher is turned on, the repair should be complete.